Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel coming at you this morning. We are recovering from a minor snow and ice storm, 17 degrees in Kansas City here. Bringing you a cold start walk around video on this 2009 Ford F250 King Ranch 6.4 Powerstroke. Goodies all around. It is freezing outside, literally 17 degrees with a wind chill, so I'm gonna hop up in here and cold start this bad boy. Hold on, it's a big truck. Bear with me. Oh, woo. All right, so 169, 371 on the odometer, deleted and tuned on an H&S Mini Maxx. Wait to starts off. Truck fires right up. I mean, this is one bad King Ranch. There's not a lot bad to say about it. It's pretty much cherry, head to toe, hood, body, mechanical, interior. Hard loaded, sunroof, and navigation, Microsoft Bluetooth sync with USB and auxiliary ports, auxiliary switches, trailer brakes factory, power pedals, outlet, cup holders, flip down, dual climate control, AC, heated seats, and I need to get mine going. Power sliding rear window too, which does work. Yeah, all the bells and whistles, power folding mirrors, power sliding mirrors, power windows, power locks, power seats, power everything, cruise control, tinted windows, even has home link for your garage door openers. But yeah, all in all, it's a great truck. Good miles on it, great color, great options. 6.4 Powerstroke has an EGR delete, exhaust, and a single tune on it. I did not delete or tune the truck, it came this way. But yeah, all in all, there's not a lot bad to report. The leather has normal cracks in it from being sat in, you know, but no rips or tears. King Ranch emblems on the seats, full bench in the rear, and it's got King Ranch floor mats, all the good stuff you want to see. I got plastic on my side so I don't get it all dirty. We just had it detailed. So let's go out, pop the hood, walk around the body. I'm going to keep it short and sweet because, like I said, it is about 17 degrees out. So, but this is one of those trucks where there's not a lot bad to point out. There's no rust. It is a Texas truck. This truck came from Texas and it has absolutely zero rust. Sinister EGR delete, K&N Cold air intake. Little to no blow by at all, which is pretty common for a 6.4, just that little bit, but it's not pressurized or jumping the cap or anything weird. And like I said, it does have a full exhaust on it. Oh, you know what? This handle for popping the hood gets stuck, so give me a sec here. When it's open like that, the hood won't shut. Woo, it is cold. All right, painted to match front black grille. We've got a ranch hand replacement bumper that's painted to match the gold stripe 2-inch receiver hitch up front. We've got paint to match mirrors, just the caps, that's factory on these King Ranches. We are lifted on a 2.5-inch ready lift leveling kit and a 20x10 KMC Rockstar XD wheel with brand new AMP 37-inch all-terrain tires. You can see they still got the paint lines from the factory. They got 0 miles on them, 40,000 mile tread warranty. Harley Davidson black housing headlights, HIDs, LED interior lights. This truck is done up right, guys. And there's no rust, there's no body damage, so I'm just kind of letting you soak it in as I look around. This truck's not beat up or dinged up or anything. It is in excellent shape all around. Look at those bed rails, no rust at all. Gotta love Texas trucks, they stay clean down there. Has 5th wheel rails, and I believe it does have, yeah, your plug right down there for trailer. Spray and bed liner, smoked tail lights, LED smoke third brake light. We've got the ranch hand rear bumper painted to match as well with LED lights and backup sensors. Truck's in high idle. Like I said, it's 15 degrees, so you got a little condensation smoke, but the truck is not smoky. I mean, it is a beautiful truck, guys. I'm sorry I'm making it quick, but it is freezing out here, literally, so All in all, this thing is turnkey, 100% ready to rock. It is a beautiful truck, tons of power, great look, great miles, great scenario where it came from, out of Texas. I mean, everything points to the right direction on this truck, and it is a beauty. It will not disappoint. It runs and drives amazing. We've serviced it fully head to toe. So if you have any questions, head on over to 816diesel.com. That is our website, 816diesel.com. You're gonna find the VIN number, pictures, all the information on the truck, the modifications, anything you need to know is on the website, and including my cell phone number. So if you want to get a hold of me, 913-735-3748 is my cell. You can also call the landline at the shop, 298-7030. Best to call me on the cell. If you have any questions or want to set an appointment to come check it out, just give me a holler. I appreciate your time, guys. You have a great week out there and stay warm.